Hello there, it's me again with this amazing homemade beef pilau. Trust me, it's gonna be a banger. Welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Lily and today we are making beef pilau. Of course, I've ever done chicken pilau and it was wow, you liked it, and here I am with beef pilau as well. So we first of all get our beef. As you can see, yabadde erabika bulungi, yabadde talina magumba mangi, and yeah, we are good to go. Nensooka nenjitereza bulungi. I had to chop to my desired pieces, the small pieces. Of course there's kola beef, so obusalasala nga butonotono. So after chopping them to my desired pieces, nenfuna omuceere. Olaba, that is rice, our rice that we're going to use. I told you before that it's onions that makes pilau. Onions and cooking oil. If you have onions, then you're good to go. We need them in plenty for perfect results. Tomatoes is optional. You can either use it or not. With it or without it, it will still come out perfectly. We have pilau masala for you. Yeah, also used that's dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce ayambako omuceere becoming a brown, that brown rice. Dark soy sauce yabikola. We have cinnamon, but it's also optional. You can either use or not use it. Still, twetaga ginger, twetaga garlic, twetaga butter, that's cooking oil, twetaga bingi nga wobirabaawo. Pilau masala nabadde namukulazeeko dda. So that's our pilau masala. Of course twetagayo n'obo babuyita bwerabiddemu, but we need them as well okubanga tubiteeka mu pilau waffe omulungi abeere nga babuyita cotmeal, nzijukidde. So awo nabadde maze obusalasala. I was done chopping my beef. Oteeka yes, onion, and then after putting in salt, noteka kusigiri kukuka, whatever you're using gas, noteka. You first boil it, by the way. You first boil it, era nomalo okuboilinga notandika ogisiika. Awo nga we mulaba nabadde ndi kugisiika. You make sure it becomes brown. I mean very brown. Before putting in onions, you have to make it brown. Abamu we mukolera ensobe. So here, yes, just like you can see, I never did to take onions, and of course I had to put them in like to mix it well, nentabulamu for them to be ready again. How can you know that they are ready? Of course they become brown here nazo ate dissolving like bujira. How can I bring it out? Nemukitegeera naye bulina becoming a brown such that buseni. So that's how you need your pilau to be. Nga olaba nabadde nkyabuliko nga nkyabutabulamu nkyabukyusaamu. Here oba olina okutandika okuyiwamu amazzi, but of course hot water ajja kukolera bulungi. Aba mukozesa amazzi nga simafumbe, which is also okay naye like I'm not sure about the results oba ziba nnungi, but here hot water bwe ndi sure nti yasobola okugirayo ekyo ekirungi. So after I had to mix the spices wamu, byonna nabimixize wamu nenteekamu, era of course nentabulamu with our soy sauce. Soy sauce oyina muteekamu before putting in rice, because omuteekamu after putting in rice, sometimes ojja kusanga omuceere gwa red, ogumu gwa brown, ogumu like teguba kaleemu. So to avoid that, you have to put in before putting in rice or water. Nga wolaba nabadde namaze okuteekamu amazzi, I had to put in soy sauce for a perfect and better thing. So immediately after there nabadde nokyusa okutabulamu okubanga byetabula bulungi nnyo. That was ready to put in rice. Yeah, era bwentyo nenteekamu my rice, bwentyo nengugira bulungi nenguteekamu, nemala nembikako omuceere gwaffe ne gubanga gujja bulungi. Then bwe guba guweddemu amazzi, awo wenze wenteekerako ka cotmeal, awo wenze wenkateekerako. I don't know oba gwekateekeramu wabamu mukafumbiramu direct, but as for me nkateekeramu awo era bwe ntunga kakotimiru nkataddeko bulungi nnyo n'enkendeza omuliro omuceere gwaffe ne guba nga guvuddeyo bulungi nga woobulaba. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. You know how much I treasure you. Mbaagala nnyo, mbafaako nnyo. Bye bye.